what do you hope to achieve in Saudi Arabia?
Well, what I expect to achieve is to make people happy, to enjoy myself, to help the country to be better and better and better. Not only a football man, but always the feminine football, which is the people don't know. I know the league is competitive. People they don't know that, but the league is very competitive, and I want to make people happy. This is my goal.
Amazing.
I have the opportunity to say, me and my family, we want to say thank you all of you for this support, for your welcome, and we're gonna give our best. Thank you everybody.